What is going on, everyone? Today I'm unboxing and installing the Kemimoto removable storage bin for underneath the seat for a 2016 to 2020 Can-Am Defender. So there's not really much to unboxing this, so let's get it started. Went ahead and cut the box to make it easier for filming purposes. So this is laid on top, and we have our storage bin for underneath the seat. So I'm going to move the camera forward and I'm going to show you a little bit more about this. So this thing is really nice. And like I said, even after you put this under your seat, which I'll show you how to install this here in a moment, you could just pack this thing. You could put clothes, bottled water, your cell phone. This is dust proof and waterproof, so to keep everything dry while you're driving through the mud or dust, dirt, you know, wherever you're riding your side-by-side at the time. So this pops open just like this, and it does come with these little rubber feet. When I do the installation, I'll put these on in a minute, but for now I'd like to tell you a few facts about this. This is a great expansion of storage for your side-by-side. It will give your Defender more storage space for your sunglasses, bottle of water, tools, clothes, etc. Like I said earlier, this only weighs 4 pounds, comes out in a snap. You can take it home with you, take it in your camper with you, wherever you're at. Super easy to install, fits perfectly under the passenger seat. It is water and dust proof. It fits perfectly for 2016 to 2020 Can-Am Defender H8, 2016 to 2020 Defender HD10, 2017 to 2020 Defender HD5, 2017 to 2020 Defender Max HD8, and 2017 to 2020 Defender Max HD10. Alright, now that I've told you all about it, let's get those rubber feet installed and let's get this installed underneath the seat. Alright, so on your 2016 to 2020 Can-Am Defender, you'll come to the passenger side. You'll lift this up just like this. And before we do this, I'm going to install these rubber feet. Alright, so close that back. So these are just going to go in just like that. Very easy. Let's see if I can hold one of these up here. That's in. There we go. You might have to twist and turn it to push it in a little bit. They did send an extra one, so in case you lose one or whatever, I'm just going to lay that up there for now. Now for the installation. This is super easy. This hook right here, it just slides over this bar, just like that. Now, you can shut your seat. The seat shuts flush. Doesn't affect your leg room whatsoever. To gain access, you just raise this up, flip this lever, and boom. You can store a ton of things under here. It's a really nice storage unit for your Can-Am. I think it adds a ton of space. I highly recommend it. If y'all are interested in this product, I will link it in the description box below. I did want to show you a close-up in case the other angle wasn't good. So this hook, it literally just goes on that bar, just like that. So like I said, you can literally install this with one hand. I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing and installation of the under the seat storage bin by Kemimoto for a 2016 to 2020 Can-Am Defender. If y'all are interested in this product, please look in the description box below. I'll link this product, and look for my discount code in the description box as well. Thank you all so much for watching.